Passive Income Through Mobile App Development, a Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can generate passive income through mobile app development. With the mobile app market expected to hit $935 billion by 2023, there's never been a better time to dive into this lucrative industry. So, let's jump right in with a step-by-step guide on how to develop a successful app, earn revenue, and ultimately achieve financial independence. Section 1. Identify a profitable niche. The first step in creating a successful mobile app is finding a profitable niche. To do this, research current market trends and consumer needs to determine which categories have the highest growth potential. Make use of resources like App Annie and Sensor Tower for collecting information on in-demand app categories and their potential earnings. And remember, focus on subjects you're passionate about or have expertise in, as this can improve the chances of your app's success. Section 2. Develop a unique app idea. Once you've identified a profitable niche, it's time to develop a unique app idea. To stand out from the competition, you'll need to create an innovative concept that resonates with your target audience. This may involve conducting market research, surveying potential users, and analyzing competitor apps to pinpoint areas needing enhancement. Section 3. Create a business model. Before diving into development, establish a business framework for your app. Consider how you'll monetize it and generate passive income. Will you use in-app advertisements, offer in-app purchases, or charge an upfront fee? Choose a monetization model that best aligns with your app's purpose and target audience. Section 4. Design your app. A vital component of an app's success is its instinctive and accessible design. Draft your application's user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, layout, guaranteeing effortless navigation and an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Employ wireframing instruments like Sketch, 5, or Adobe XD to develop a prototype of your app's design. Section 5. Develop your app. With your app idea, business structure, and design in place, it's time to start developing. Choose a development platform, like native, iOS or Android, hybrid, or cross-platform, based on your intended user base and financial plan. You have the option to acquire coding skills and develop the app independently or engage a proficient developer to materialize your vision. Section 6. Test your app. Before releasing your app, it's essential to test its functionality and fix any glitches or issues. Conduct thorough testing on various devices and operating systems to ensure a seamless user experience. Don't forget to gather feedback from beta testers to make necessary improvements. Section 7. Launch your app. After fine-tuning your app, it's time to launch it on the appropriate app stores. Follow the submission guidelines for the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, ensuring your app fulfills their criteria and norms. Create a compelling app description, eye-catching icon, and high-quality screenshots to entice users to download your app. Consider offering a limited-time promotion or discount to incentivize early adopters. Section 8. Market your app. Attracting and retaining users is crucial for generating passive income. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your app and raise awareness within your desired demographic. Utilize social media, content marketing, app store optimization, ASO, and focused advertising to connect with prospective users. Partner with influencers, bloggers, or subject matter specialists to broaden your reach and create excitement surrounding your app. Don't forget to leverage user-generated content like reviews and testimonials to establish trustworthiness and credibility. Section 9. Monitor and optimize your app. Once your app is live, it's crucial to keep track of its performance. Use analytical resources like Google Analytics for mobile or Flurry to monitor user activity and app efficacy. Evaluate this information to pinpoint aspects needing enhancement and optimization. Periodically update your app to resolve glitches, incorporate novel features, and elevate the user experience. Address user feedback and critiques, demonstrating your appreciation for their opinions and dedication to delivering a top-tier app. Section 10. Diversify your income streams. As your app gains traction, consider diversifying your income sources. Explore alternative monetization approaches, including providing in-app amenities, collaborating with other enterprises, or marketing products connected to your app. Continually innovate and adjust to remain competitive and preserve a consistent flow of passive earnings. Conclusion. By following these steps, identifying a profitable niche, developing a unique app idea, creating a solid business model, and implementing a step-by-step development process, you can build a successful app that generates income and provides financial independence. Remember, stay focused, persistent, and responsive to user feedback, and you'll be well on your way to establishing a thriving app business. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy app development.